Hi there guys, I hope you're all okay. Welcome to another activity video, and today we are making a angry cloud. So what this is going to be, it's going to be a visual representation of our anger triggers, or for the purposes of this activity we're going to call them storm starters. So what triggers us, what starts that angry storm. I've already started making this because this is my now, I think, third attempt at recording this video because my phone keeps dying. Thank you so much. So at least it means you get to see the work in progress. So this is the sort of thing we're aiming for. So a little cloud at the top, and then hanging from the bottom are going to be our storm starters or our anger triggers. Then I suppose the idea is that this is like I said, a visual representation of the things that make us angry, so that we can, this is then on display for other people to see so they can help you manage those triggers or avoid those triggers, and just a reminder for you as well, I think, to be reminded of the things that might trigger your anger. So all you're going to need is some card, some double-sided sticky tape and a pen, so nice and easy. So I'll talk you through what I've done and then we'll keep going and keep sticking things on. So the first thing I did, we're using a paper plate. I've cut out this beautiful cloud shape. It's looking a bit like a flower, but it is a cloud. That's what it's supposed to be. And then on some coloured card, I then cut out these shapes. So it's supposed to be a lightning bolt and then a rain droplet. And then the other thing you're going to need are some strips of, I've used white card, which I've then folded back and forth to make like a little spring. Or you could use sort of string maybe to hang your shapes from your cloud. But that's what I've gone for. So I've stuck 2 on. Let's stick the next 2 on. So what I've done is I've put a double-sided sticky tape on the back of each end of the spring. And then obviously one end is going to attach to the shape, and then the other end to the cloud. So there we go, I've peeled it off. Now we attach it to the cloud, and then make sure that the front of your shape is facing forwards as well, like so. So they're sort of overlapping each other, so you might want to make your shapes a bit smaller or make your cloud a bit bigger. But you can still see them, you can just move them around. And there we go, so let's stick on the last one. Very loud out there today, I'm ever so sorry. Come on. There we go. And we'll stick on the last one. Just there. Beautiful. Isn't that lovely? That's a nice little cloud, and then you can stick some string on the back and hang it up somewhere. Fab. So the next job for you is we're writing on these little shapes what sort of things can trigger our anger. So what makes us feel all stormy. And they're different for different people, and that's why making little things like this can be really helpful to help you identify what your triggers are and to sort of communicate them to other people. Write down your triggers on them, and then you might want to maybe write something on your cloud, decorate it a bit. I'm going to do some writing on mine. So I'm just going to write storm starters. said, a nice little visual representation of what makes us angry. Because the first tip in sort of working on our anger is being aware of what it is that triggers that anger, so that we can then either try and avoid those triggers or put a plan in place so that they don't affect us as much as they normally would. Like I said in yesterday's video, it is totally normal, and anger is an acceptable emotion. It's okay to feel angry. We all go through it. We can't all be 100% calm and happy all the time. It's just about how that anger is expressed. So it's about learning to express that anger in healthy, constructive ways by doing things like this. So yeah, there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed that one. Thank you as always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.